Hi, welcome to my big board. My name is Spencer Calkins, and I'm going to be talking about nutrition, food, and what makes a good meal. So today I'm going to talk about my community service, then I'm going to talk about ChooseMyPlate.gov, then how much of each food group do we need, and then I'm going to talk about water, Super Tracker, and then we're going to make a healthy meal. So for my community service, I passed out flyers in my neighborhood for a can drive. For my can drive, I came back about a week later and collected just under 40 pounds of canned food, which I then loaded up and took to Gleaner's Food Bank in Pontiac, Michigan. Now I'm going to talk about ChooseMyPlate.gov. ChooseMyPlate is a government website that gives you nutritional recommendations to live a healthy lifestyle. ChooseMyPlate's logo, as you can see here, is a plate and a cup. The plate is divided into 4 sections: fruits, vegetables, grains, and protein. And then the cup is dairy. So the logo is divided in such a way that reflects about how much of each food group you should eat per day. You should be eating around 30% grains, 30% vegetables, 25% protein, and 15% fruits. And then a few cups of dairy is good as well. And that includes milk, yogurt, and cheese. So now I'm going to talk about how much we should be eating. Every day you should be, or about 30% of your calories should come from fats, 30% from protein, and about 40% from carbohydrates. This will ensure that you get all the nutrients that you need and that you can maintain a healthy lifestyle. Now I'm going to talk about water. Every day you should drink half a gallon to a gallon of water. You can drink closer to a half a gallon if you're not that active and live a more sedentary lifestyle. However, if you're very active, you should be drinking a gallon or more. What people don't know is that by drinking a glass of water before a meal, you can actually help reduce the amount of calories you eat during that meal. On average, by drinking a glass of water before a meal, most people consume about 75 less calories than they would without drinking water. So 75 calories might not seem like a lot, but if you did that at only dinner for every day for a year, that actually comes out to about an 8-pound loss. Now I'm going to talk about supertracker.gov. SuperTracker is an application made by the USDA that can help you to learn or find out how many calories you should be eating and what portions of each food group those calories should come from. SuperTracker is fairly easy. All you have to do is plug in your age, gender, physical activity level, height, and weight. And then SuperTracker will spit out a number of calories that you should be eating per day based on your activity level and what it assumes your metabolism to be. So for me, when I did SuperTracker, it gave me about 3,200 calories per day. And now that number is to maintain your current weight. If you want to increase weight, you can add 200. If you want to decrease weight, you can subtract 200. Going too much more and too much less is unhealthy, and you will miss out on vital nutrients, and you will not be as healthy as you could have been otherwise. I'll now give you a minute to do your own super trackers if you want to pull out your phone and follow the URL that I have listed at the top of the screen. Now we're going to cook a healthy meal. We're going to be cooking chicken stir fry with vegetables and rice. The ingredients are broccoli, onion, mushrooms, chicken or another meat, rice, sauce, and you're welcome to add any other vegetables you want or subtract any of the vegetables that I recommended. You can also use as many meats or no meat at all.
We were locked down.